On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat My Eyes Only problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. On this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is scroll until you find Snapchat. When you find it, click on it like this. And after that, what you want to do next is click on force stop and then go to the storage right here, click on clear data and click here on delete, and then click on clear cache. Go back, click on data user, make sure to enable the mobile data, the Wi-Fi, the background data, and disable only the roaming data like this. And now restart your phone, reopen Snapchat. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.